gonna hook this block up to the transmission. We got the transmission back. Just make it a lot easier mocking everything up, set it down in here, make sure everything lines up. Then we'll have to drill these out and bolt those down in, and we'll see how sturdy it seems. Maybe we'll throw a couple welds on it, not sure yet. Another deal we ran into was the cross member. It's about 1 inch too short of the brackets that they sent, so these weld into the chassis, but that's not going to reach. So we're going to take a piece of angle, cut them up, drill these out, weld them to the chassis, and we should be good to go.
Leave it a little loose, that way I can square it up that way as well.
We got the new cross member mounts up intact. I'll bring the wire welder out here the next couple days and weld it all out, get it nice and neat. As I told you before, the cross member kit that I had ordered was about 1 inch too short across. So just got this angle iron, cut it, drilled it, and got it all mounted up, tacked it up. Got the transmission level with the chassis, so I think we'll be good to go down here. Now I need to mark these 2 holes on the front side of these motor mounts. We just did the back till we got the motor in there just to see if they were even close or whatnot. Got the cross member, got that all in, so now that's where she'll be sitting. So we'll mark those up and drill them, throw the bolts in. Well, we have a problem. As good as they look, they do not fit. These Pro Topline heads have a funny spark plug angle on the deal there, and they're gonna hit the manifolds. So our Holley Sniper EFI kit in. Obviously it's not bolted down, but we just threw it up there, get an idea what it's gonna look like. I went with a Hyperspark distributor. Ignition coil, CDI box, we got all the harnesses, fuel pump. I did go ahead and order some braided Teflon fuel lines for the return and the main line. Got all our fittings. Yeah, I was real disappointed. I was looking forward to this stock manifold look, but I guess we're going to have to go with something else. Got our new water pump. And we got to figure out our AC setup. On the stock engine, the AC compressor was down here, which I'd love to keep it there, but or it was a lower mount, but I'm seeing a lot of them up here. I'd like to keep it on the driver's side of the engine just because of the hoses are already made and they're a lot longer. Throw our alternator over here. Finally some rain. We needed that.